Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how you can add gift card in WooCommerce. So let's get started. First of all, log into your WordPress account and then open your WordPress dashboard. And now from the left menu bar, click on the plugins button. After that, click on the add new button from the plugins. And now search for the gift card for WooCommerce. So here we have it. You can download it. And after downloading and installing, click on the activate button to activate it. So now again go to the plugins button, plugins page, and now click on the installed plugins. Afterwards, click on the settings button. Then go to general and set accordingly and save the changes. Afterwards, saving it successfully, you have to go to products and do same with all rest accordingly and save the changes. So go to gift cards and then click on the templates. Here you can choose the template of your choice out of all of them. So now go back to the products button, products page, and then click on the add new button. Now name the title and then choose the product data and click on the publish button. So here is the gift card. That's how you will add a gift card in WooCommerce. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.